Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. Today we're going to make saunf and badaam curry. This is good for your flu, headache, all the flu going on in UK at the moment, and this will prevent all that. So I made full recipe. I did given a lot of tips and tricks in it as well. So please watch my full recipe. This is step by step recipe for beginners, and you can save this recipe. You can share with other people. This I made for 4 people, so it costed me like maybe £1 altogether with all the ingredient, or £2. And this got no side effect. It's going to help you, or if it's not going to help you, it's not going to harm you. You can make one chapati and you can soak the chapati in and eat it like that. You can eat it with bread or naan or just as a soup. So mashallah, look nice. You can freeze it as well. So say, and that doesn't mean you have to have flu and eat this. You can eat this regularly in winter or any season to prevent infection. Yeah. Wish you can smell it. So this bowl is enough for one person. So I'm sure this will do me for 6 people. And I always say to people, please read 3 times Durood Sharif and listen to Char Kul every day. Read Ayatul Kursi, Surat Baqarah, and that will prevent you for many things. So that's my soup is ready. You can eat it like this, or you can add a routine like I said. Good morning, assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. Today I'm going to make another home remedy for cough, cold and flu. So these will be the ingredient: 1 onion, like 1 inch of ginger, garlic, fennel seed, almond. Almond is like 2 spoons and seed is 1 spoon. So I'm going to make them really smooth paste, and then I'm going to roast them in pure ghee, and then I'm going to put a little bit spices, like 4 cup of water. It's going to be like soup. You can drink it, you can add chapati in and eat it. So I will show you step by step. So this recipe is like again homemade, tested from old ladies, and they do believe this recover a lot of issue from your stomach and all the bugs can kill. No harm in it. So I will share it. I'll make the recipe and show you step by step. And say if you don't want to make smooth paste, you just add them roughly and then sieve them. But I'm going to make it smooth, then the family don't complain when it's come in their mouth. Again, you can freeze this portion for like a rainy day, and if you have this like for a few days, you will see the difference in your body and you will recover quickly. And if you check how many benefit onion have, ginger, garlic, fennel seed, it does kill a lot of germ in your body. This make your skin clear, so many benefit. Almond, and if you do your research, you will know what I'm trying to say. So what I did, I put everything together, little bit of water, made this smooth paste. So again, sometimes it's good to eat all the fats. I'm putting homemade ghee to roast the paste, like this much only. Yeah, you can add more or less, it's up to you. So I'll check it if I need more or less. And now all the paste going in. I'm going to roast it for like till all the butter goes separately, and then I'll show you. So I'm going to leave on low heat and let it roast for like 2-3 minutes, and then I'll show you. I'm going to put more spices in and I'll show you step by step. And if you like this recipe, please share with other people, and give me comment feedback. Have you ever seen this recipe before? Have you tried? This is like a Pakistani very old recipe, and it does work. And I wish you could smell it. It's so like beautiful smell. You can smell it. So again, I'm going to show you. This is haldi, turmeric, half teaspoon. This is garam masala, all the spices mix half teaspoon, and pinch of red chilies, half teaspoon, salt, and you know turmeric does prevent even cancer. So all these spices are really good for you, and all the spices is there like a, this called garam masala. That means all the Asian spices go in there. So this is like optional, you can add more or less, but when you're ill you need gentle, like light spice things. So I'm going to add that in, and then I'll show you next step. And on slow heat I'm roasting it, and then while I'm roasting it on low heat, you have to have patience and love. And please read Surat Bakra, Surat Rahman, Forkul, Atul Kursi, and protect yourself, and inshallah Allah will give you recovery. And I think when you are in any sad situation or ill, you do go back to your God, your Allah, and that's my belief. And when issue come to you, and that's the best outcome is you come to reality, and you remember your creator, you remember Allah Pak. So please, my advice is read Charkul, Atal Kursi daily, Surat Bakra, the last ayat. They all on my YouTube channel. If you can't read them, just put them on YouTube, listen to them, make your family, children listen to them, and it will prevent all this bad nazar, jadoo, everything. So there's protection. I was listening to somebody, I won't mention the name, and they said it's like when you lock the door, if you lock a few times, it's more score, nobody will come to your house. And the example did go in my head. And if you have protection, and God will protect you, God will help you. So if you like any of my things in my video, please share with other people, give me feedback, like, subscribe. Sadqa Jariya. This is, if one person can get benefit from it, and it's good. Look at the gas, I left on low heat, and this ghee I had homemade ghee as well, which I put in. So eating less and nutrition things and good, and life is very important, and these things come and go. So please not be kind to each other, and if you see anything good in anybody's video, share it and give them motivation. Share the recipe with other people. Now I'm going to add all these spices in and roast them for like 1 minute maybe. This is so quick to make, so it's not hard to make. And remember, in olden days, our grandma, mothers, they survived and they were healthier than us. That's my belief. So that's it. These spices, a little bit of water. And if you don't have blender, you can just smash them with anything and make them roughly chopped, and then you can sift them. That's another tip, because everybody don't have all the facilities. So there's so many ways to make dishes, no excuse. So remember, I'm going to clean this as well. You shouldn't waste anything. I'm going to add some water in and put that back in the handi. See, a little bit of water and everything going back there. You shouldn't waste anything. So now I'm going to put 4 cups of water and leave it on low heat for 20 minutes, and then I'll show you how it looks. I'm going to boil it, leave it on low heat for 20 minutes. Roughly, that's a rough idea. When you see the oil up there and everything will be cooked, and then like you can drink as a soup, or you can make chapati and soak that in and eat. And this is really good for, when you have a baby, and after baby you make this soup and drink, and this will recover your all the immune system, all your stomach problem, and make you so quickly come back to normal. When you're having baby, you go through so much. So there's so many benefit of this. If I do that, if I tell you everything, my video will be very long. That's it, 20 minutes on low heat now. Remember, I put pure ghee in, and the ghee will smooth all your ST, what you call it, I can't remember the name now, all your throat veins and everything. And eating everything in moderation is no harmful.